What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today I'm gonna talk about my 23andMe results and my journey so far. So very quickly, it is $99 to get it. You're gonna get your ancestry and you know, your heritage. That's mainly what I went for. So yeah, you can order now and it's $99. I know that's a lot of money, but if you're someone who don't know like both or one of your parents, I really suggest it at this point in time. I'll get into that here in a minute. So when you get the box, you're gonna download the 23andMe app, and I'm looking down because I got notes. You're gonna download the 23andMe app. I'll put a little picture of what it looks like, and then that coincides with your box. You register your box, and then you'll get your results there. Now this thing takes about 4 to 6 weeks to come back. I believe mine was about 4. It said it was going to be back on August 24th, and I got it on, I believe, the 20th. So anyways, let's see here. You have a little kit, and I'll put a picture of that in, and there's a little tube where you just spit in it. Kind of gross, but that's how they get your DNA. The tube is probably about this big, and you only have to put about that much spit in it, so it's kind of gross, but you know. Then when it shows up, you're gonna go to your app. I just went to my app every day and checked. I didn't get per se like a notification, unless I think you might, but I really don't think I did. So I just went there to check it every day. So I'm still okay. And then so when I got it, I clicked on home. Well, it's your home. It'll pop right up as home. And then I clicked on ancestry composition, and it shows your ancestry and where you're from. And I'll put a little picture of what I am. I am from, I'm British and Irish, weird, and German and Swiss. But in my opinion, I think that the top two, since they're like over 50%, so I'm British first, Irish, and then German, Swiss. And if you took two different ones like Ancestry DNA and 23andMe, they might differ a little bit, especially down towards the lower percentages. I would just say I'm British and Irish. That's what I am. So, didn't know that. Didn't know anything about British. Didn't know anything about that. Let's see here. I think it's cool. I've been going a little crazy with the British thing, but it's fun to know what you are, and you know. Now the reason I did this is because I never met my father, so I kind of wondered what his family, the heritage of his family, and what he was. So I'm assuming, you know, part of that is him. So that was fun. And then next, I'm sitting on the toilet. Sorry, TMI. But I go to the family tab. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna see like 15 to 20,000 freaking 4th and 16th cousins. No, girl. I click on the family button. First thing that pops up is half sister. I'm like, wait, what? What? I almost fell off the toilet. I'm like, wait, what? I look into the phone like, wait, what? And I'm like, okay, that's a half sister. So I contact her, and long story short, since we don't have the same mom, ding, 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 we have the same dad. And so I figured out, you know, I got a new half sister. I got a contact for my dad because I looked him up on Facebook, and I did message him, and he is a little older. I'm not going to say anything bad about old people because they're not on social media as much as us young people. So he hasn't messaged me back yet. And if he don't, he don't. But at least I know the mystery was pretty much over at 42, and I didn't expect it. I got 23andMe to figure out my ancestry and my heritage. So I'm really shocked about this whole thing, and I was so shocked, and I didn't know what to think or do. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Hopefully he'll message me back and we'll at least have a conversation, and I'll know at least if we don't have a conversation. With my sister, we talk a lot. We text. She's very sweet, very sweet. She's very beautiful. So, ding, bonus, crazy. And I had a first cousin, which is her cousin also, who she knows that I sent a message to, and then a second cousin that actually lives in a town that I used to live in 100 miles away. So I'm finding family, dude. It's crazy, and I did not expect that. I knew there was a chance, but once I saw that, I was like, what? What is the chances? And she did her DNA test about 3 to 4 years ago, and here I show up saying, hey girl, I'm your sister. So yeah, it's crazy, and it's true. I was sitting there and thinking, you know, but this DNA thing, they convict people for life, and it's a real thing. So it's true. Okay, so also it has fun things like it told me, like, according to my DNA, if they thought I had dimples, or what my eye color was. It was really cool. I'll put that in. It was pretty cool. It's a really cool site, and you can just look through there and find new things all the time. It's neat. I like it. Also, it told me I was 76% Neanderthal DNA, or 76% more than the average person. So it's kind of high. I got a lot of Neanderthal in me. Do I got a protruding forehead? I don't know, but that's crazy because I was 76% more in my, I think I was 76%, my sister was 24%, so I'm more Neanderthal. But I don't think I left anything out. I think I pretty much went through everything. And I do recommend, if you have the $99, to go ahead and get it, because if you don't know your mom and dad, if you don't know one, or, you know, if you don't know your dad, or some reason you don't know your mom, it's worth it, you know. I never expected this at all. My life is going a different way. It's so crazy. I'm very happy and very, like, I was kind of emotional for a minute, but I really don't get that way anymore. So, but anyways, yeah, that's my video, and that's my journey thus far. I'll probably update you. I might not, on what's going on. See if my dad messaging me back. But yeah, as far as my sister goes, she's a good person, and she actually lives in Vegas, which, if you know me, I talk about Vegas all the time. I love that place, and I actually wanted to move there. But anyway, so that is my video for today. Hopefully I didn't ramble and just go off on tangents, but I'm just excited. So anyways, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you comment down below. Talk to me. I love interacting with you guys. Make sure you like all my social medias, and I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye!